Let nothing move you. Let no one separate you. And the God of peace and grace will always be upon you and fight for you now and forever. For what God has joined together, let no one separate. Today, I declare that you are now officially husband and wife. Now, Yayan, you may now kiss your beautiful wife. Okay, count 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and everybody say, 1! Sabay-sabay tayong sumigaw na mabuhay ang bagong kasal. 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Thank you and God bless you all.